nature. I usually use Google, Axe.com. Oh, Instagram, pictures.
Teachers, online, scientists.
The computers.
Google and Wikipedia.
I'd say Google, because Wikipedia is just fake.
Peaceful and quiet. All you can hear is a bird singing.
It's like a bunch of green stuff, man.
I don't really go outside.
Breathing.
Resources.
Well, I'm alive now, so oxygen.
Exploring it.
IMAX would be perfect.
Going out there and just taking pictures of the plants yourself.
You ain't want to play some Call of Duty? Yes, sir. Let's do it.
What do you want to watch?
Let's watch NBA.
No, we have a report due tomorrow on nature.
But I want to watch NBA.
Well, too bad.
New episode.
Oh, look, perfect.
Animal Planet. Surprisingly human.
Offer over 180 online graduate and undergraduate programs. For over 18 years, we've been offering online education.
I'm gonna go eat. Okay, bye. Later.
Dude, this nature game is so fun, man.
I know, look at all these trees.
Dude, what's that noise?
Get back here.
Oh, Mother Nature all day. What's that noise? Hey, turn that stuff down. Oh, we're trying to enjoy nature here.
We got an important
Where you at?
deal going here.
Oh, gosh. Man, it's so cool, man. Mother Nature.
I know, look at this, man.
Blowing up the cars.
Oh.
Woo!
Stop playing those video games and go outside.
How about you go outside? We're learning about nature right here.
Yeah, look at all these
All
vines.
right, knifing the rock. Oh, man, so cool. Woo! Oh, my gosh, dude. Why do we need to go outside for, man? Yeah, all the nature right here. Look at this, man.
I know.
It's so beautiful.
Cold outside. Let's go outside. You can explore the whole world by just using Google. You don't have to get on a plane in order to get to your destination. Instead, you type in the address in your browser. And from there, you can do anything from the tip of your fingers. There are no mosquitoes, no sunburn, no spending money. You can do all of this